best dad from your daughter. Have a happy Father's Day. That's fantastic. That's the best card I've ever seen in my life.
The lions.
Is that me and you as lions?
Yes.
Fuck yeah, high five. Boosh. Come here. Love you, princess. It's like 6, well, it's like 5:45 in the morning now. Me and Scarlett are driving to the Eiffel Tower. We're gonna try and get some awesome photos of the car in front of the Eiffel Tower. Shit, I'm on the wrong side of the road. Fuck hell. And then we're gonna make our way up to Belgium. Boosh. Ja, bomba klaart. Me and Scarlett are at the Eiffel Tower. Love you, baby. Look at that. Boom.
We've just got to Belgium, we've looked on Google and we found what people are saying is the best zoo in the world, so let's go there.
That's good, isn't it?
We have potatoes.
Potatoes. Are you sure? Yeah, me. What are you doing?
I'm on a walrus.
You are a walrus. Turn around. Oh, that isn't it. Go closer. I'll help you now. Where are we going now?
We are going to the land of oranges.
Oranges. Land of origins. Come on, land of oranges.
Look at the rat. One's got a blanket on it.
What are you doing with your mates?
That's a big one.
It's not funny, it's gross. Good? Give it a view? Alright, go. pissing it down. We're absolutely soaked. That's great fun. Hey babe, you having fun? Fantastic. Oh, look at the baby giraffe. They're still huge, aren't they? Oh, look at the hyena. You're mad. Come here, babe. Look how cool these bathrooms are. And then the men's ones.
Wow!
All the fish. This is, I want a bathroom like this at home.
The harmful fish, they can harm you, they can harm you. Look at that big fish. Daddy, that one is camouflage.
See?
By that white fish.
Whoa, was that parkour?
I love you.
Love you too.
Can fly.
This isn't a toucan bird.
You said toucans.
I'm going to show Claire this. This is the sort of enclosure mangrove needs. And then look it.
Did it and then go up and
you.
Elles sont au soleil.
Can I touch it?
Thank you and see you soon. Well, I think me and Scarlett can both agree that this is the best zoo we've ever been to.
Yeah.
Yeah? By far, 5 star.